Okay, children, now we are going to continue the same lesson. We have seen the road safety, water safety, and fire accident, fire safety, everything we have seen. Now we are going to see about be safe from toxic organisms. Toxic organisms, na விஷப்பூச்சிகள். எது இதெல்லாம் விஷப்பூச்சிகள்? That is snake, scorpion, spider and wasp. அதாவது பாம்பு, பூரான், spider, சிலந்தி and wasp வந்து வண்டு. So these are the toxic organisms. Pesticides are used to kill insects in our room. Pesticides na பூச்சிக்கொல்லி மருந்து. Even if the cockroaches are roaming in the kitchen, your parents will buy one chalk piece. If you put the chalk piece line, that is the medicinal chalk piece, pesticide chalk piece. If that cockroach touches that line, it will die. The cockroach won't come because that is the chalk piece contains of the chemicals that kills the using the pesticides. So pesticides are used to kill insects in our home. We shouldn't touch these pesticides. They are very dangerous. It's poisonous as well as dangerous. So as a children, you should not touch with your hands. And what are the dangers caused by the toxic organisms? Dangers caused by toxic organisms. What are the dangers? So toxic organism na enna sonna விஷப்பூச்சிகள். So if the all the dangers and bite panaka, if anything, the snake bites or the scorpion, spider or anything that bites means what will happen? What are the symptoms that cause? What are the symptoms? என்னென்ன அறிகுறிகள் ஒரு விஷப்பூச்சி நம்மளை கடிச்சதுன்னா what are the symptoms that is caused by this? Causes skin redness and itching. If suddenly this organisms, the snake or anything, if it bite means the skin will become skin redness. Causes skin redness and itching. Skin வந்து red ஆயிடும் and then itching will be there. If snake or anything, even if the snake bites, we should not touch that. We are to tie a kerchief or anything tight at the top of the place where the snake bites, and after that we'll go to the doctor. And first one is causes skin redness. Skin வந்து red ஆயிட்டு and that will become itching. Started feeling itching. And then causes inflammation of skin. Causes inflammation means ஒரு மாதிரி வீக்கம் வந்துடும். Causes inflammation. அந்த skin வந்து suddenly வீங்கிடும் அப்படியே. Inflammation of skin because of the biting. And then inflammation இந்த வீக்கம் எங்கெங்க வரும்னா occurs in places like eyelid, கண்ணுக்கு மேலே, ears and lips. And causes headache, vomiting and giddiness. So after that what will happen? The headache will come and then vomiting and giddiness. தலை சுத்துறது. Vomiting and giddiness. So these are the symptoms if the dangers caused by the toxic organism. Skin redness and itching and inflammation of the skin and headache, vomiting and giddiness. Okay. And then what are the precautions to be followed? So if it bites means what are the precautions? What are the precautions? So we can give the first aid and then go to the hospital. So first we have to give the first aid. After that only we have to go to the hospital. Precautions is do not go near bushes. We should not go near bushes. Pudar kitta poga kodadu. Because if something the insects or any toxic organisms will be there. So you should not go near the bushes. Keep the houses and surroundings clean. We must keep the houses and surroundings clean. So சுத்தமா இல்லைனா anything, any insects will come. Clean. So the people who work in the plantation, who is working in the field or any plantation goods, apply the mixture of a sesame oil. Sesame oil means yellow oil and paraffin oil. If you rub it on our hands, if they do so, the insects won't bite and the smell like insects, it won't come near us. Then glassware and sharp weapons. Glassware. So glassware and sharp weapons. எப்படி அதனால நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி accident? What will happen? The glassware and sharp weapons. Glasswares வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறது, கண்ணாடி பொருள்கள் glasswares, and sharp weapons, that is the scissors, knife, like that. These are all the sharp weapons. As a children, you should not touch any glassware or sharp weapons. Handle the glassware and sharp weapons carefully. Handle these items carefully. Handle these items carefully. And then they may cause injuries. If you are not handling it properly, the glass and as well as the weapons will cause injuries. Okay. Then next is, that's all, children. This is the lesson. So our life is precious. If you want to live a healthy life without pain, we need to be cautious. So life வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப important. If you want to live a healthy life, what we have to do? We have to be cautious. Let us obey the safety rules and live without pain. So we must follow the safety rules. Now you're going to see the exercises. Fill in the blanks, match the following and everything. So choose the correct answer. First one is choose the correct answer. We are given some of the words. So you have to see that word and write the answer. Choose the correct answer is here. If it is touched, it will be hot. If it is left, it will burn. If it is touched, it will be hot. It will be hotter. Okay, yeah. What is it? If it is left, அது அப்படியே விட்டுட்டு போயிட்டோம்னா, if it is left, it will burn. அது எரிஞ்சிடும். So what is it? That is fire. What is it? Fire. That is fire. Okay, if it is touched, it will be hot. Fire touch பண்ணாக்க it will be hot. If it is left, அது அப்படியே விட்டுட்டோம்னா it will burn. எதையாவது எரிச்சிடும். So what is it? That is the fire. Second one, I use it every day. I say it during rainy day. You used it every day. Daily everybody is using this. And I used it rainy day. I see it. I see it during the rainy day. During rainy day. So rainy day la நம்ம என்ன பார்க்குறோம்? மழை எப்படி வருது? Because of water. So what is it? That is water. So இது வந்து மேலே options they are given. From that options only we are writing the answers. Then I spread through lines, but I am not a climber. I spread through lines. படர்ந்து போவோம், லைனில் போவோம். I spread through lines, but I am not a climber. Climberனா கொடி. ஸோ அது கொடியும் கிடையாது. But I am not a climber. Then what is it? I help to grow bulbs. I help to glow the bulbs. To glow the bulbs. That is electricity. What is it? Electricity. So I spread through lines. Lines are போதில்லையா? While we are in the house, we are saying outside. I spread through lines, but I am not a climber. லைனா வரிசை அப்படியே கொடி மாதிரி இருக்கும். I help to glow. பளிச்சுன்னு எரியும். Help glow the bulbs. What is it? What is it? Electricity. That is electricity. Then he who doesn't have legs. He who doesn't have legs. இதுக்கு legs கிடையாது. Doesn't have legs. But doesn't have legs. Slithers and wanders. அப்படியே வளைஞ்சி நெளிஞ்சு போயிட்டே இருக்கும். Slithers and wanders in jungles. So which one is slithers and wanders in jungles? That is, who is he? It is a snake. It is a snake. Can you understand, children? He who doesn't have legs, கால் இருக்காது, but he slithers and wanders. நெளிஞ்சு வளைஞ்சு நெளிஞ்சு போகிறதுதான் slithers and wanders. Who is he? In jungles. Wanders in snake. That is jungles. The snake. The one who stands on the road and guides the signal. Who stands on the roads and guides the signal? The one who stands on the road and guides signals. So who is he? And guides us has 3 colors. So that is the traffic light. OSA traffic light. So options they are giving at the top. So you can see the options and light. Traffic light. So if it is touch, it will be hot. If it is left, it will burn. That is fire. I use it every day. I see it during the rainy day. That is water. I spread through lines, but I am not a climber. I help to glow bulbs. What is it? Electricity. He who doesn't have legs slithers, wanders in jungles. Who is he? Is the snake. The one who stands on the road and guides us has 3 colors. Who is he? That is the traffic light. Okay, children. Now we will move on to the true or false. True or false is the question answer is here. So you will write the question answer and we will see this, and later on we will see the next one. So write true or false. So in true or false, what will happen? We shouldn't play in the kitchen. That is true. We can go to the deep part of the river to bath. That is false. Never touch the electrical appliances with wet hand. That is true. We should keep the house and surroundings clean. That is true. We can play with glassware. That is false. So in true or false, we will say this. We shouldn't play in the kitchen. That is true. We shouldn't play in the kitchen. That is true. Then we can go to the deep. We can go to the deep part of the river to bath. Shall we go to the deep part of the river to the bath? No, that is false. And then, never touch the electrical appliances with wet hand. Never touch the electrical appliances. With wet hand. That is true. You should not touch the electrical appliances with wet hand. Then we should keep the house and surroundings clean. We should keep the house and surroundings. House and surroundings. How to keep your house and surroundings clean? Is it true? Yes. Then fifth one. We can play with glassware. That is false. We can play with glassware. That is false. So this is about the true or false, children. Okay. So learn this at home. And now we'll go on to the answer the following questions. Third one is answer the following questions. Answer the following. First one. Write some factors that cause accidents. Write some factors. What are the factors that cause accidents? That cause accidents. So already I told you what are the factors. The answer is first page number you can see urgency. First one is urgency. Vegama poradu, urgenta poradu, urgency. Carelessness. Then lack of awareness. Okay. Then indifference. Indifference. Then violation of rules. Rules break பண்ணுறது, ரூல்ஸை ஃபாலோ பண்ணாமல் போகிறது, that is violation of rules. Then lack of training. Proper training இல்லாமல் இருந்தால் கூட it causes an accident. Then not following safety measures. Okay. This is the answer for this. Now we'll move on to the next one. So this is the answer for write some of the factors that cause accidents. What we should do if our clothes get fire? What we should do? If our clothes get fire. Answer is if our clothes get fire. If our clothes get fire, we should not run. ஓடக்கூடாது, we should not run. Next one is we should drop down. Drop down and roll on the ground. Okay, this is the second answer. And the third one is how should we protect ourselves from the from accidents caused by electricity? How should we protect ourselves accidents caused by the electricities? So in this they are given the 6 points. You can write any 5 points. So how should we protect ourselves from the fire, electricity? So I am writing the answer here. Answer is do not touch switches, plugs or electrical appliances, electrical wires with wet hand. Okay. And then second point, do not climb on electrical post. Do not climb on electrical post. Then do not go near the wires or electrical post during rain. During the rainy time, you should not go near the electrical post. Do not insert sticks. Do not insert any sticks. சில பிள்ளைகள் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, some of the children they put the sticks inside the switch box. Any sticks into the switch box. Okay. So this is it. Okay. Then the fourth one. Where should we cross the road? Where should we cross the road? We should cross the road on the zebra crossing. Where should we cross the road? We should cross the road. Answer is we should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Okay. So what we should do if our clothes get fire? If our clothes get fire, we should not run. Then we should drop down and roll on the ground. How should we protect ourselves from accidents caused by the electricity? Do not touch switches, plugs or electrical wires with wet hand. Okay. Do not climb on electrical post. Then do not go near the wires or electrical post during the rain. Then do not insert any sticks into the switch boxes. Then where should we cross the road? We should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Now the next one, the last question. Mention the names of some toxic organisms. Mention the names of some toxic organisms. So what are the toxic organisms? I told you, no. Some of the toxic organisms are snake. Answer is snake, scorpion, spider, and wasp. So that's all, children. So your lessons will be over for this third standard. So learn all this question answer, choose, fill up and match what all you are given in the class. Thank you, children. We will see you in the next class.